Thanks for meeting with me today. The reason I'm coming in is my husband and I are getting a divorce and we are in a lot of debt. We might need to file bankruptcy. Can you tell me a little bit about bankruptcy?
Well, bankruptcy is something that you can pursue as a couple or if you're single, but basically you need to look at your monthly income and compare it to your monthly expenses. And when you look at those expenses, which includes debt of all kinds, whether it's rent or mortgage payment, compare it to your income, and then you realize that there's no way realistically that you're going to be able to pay off this debt, then bankruptcy in that type of situation is appropriate.
I see. Should I go about like filing bankruptcy first or should I file divorce first?
Well, I would recommend that you file the bankruptcy first for a number of reasons. While you're still married, you can file jointly, and typically that's one fee rather than filing separately after the divorce and typically paying double the typical fee. Filing jointly together, you can work out together as to what debts are going to be discharged or eliminated and what, if any, debts will remain. That can also assist you in doing the divorce process, since debts that are going to be discharged or go away and eliminated, there's no need to fight over those in a divorce since they're going to be gone.
I see. If he refuses to file for bankruptcy, can I force him to?
You cannot force your spouse to get a bankruptcy. However, your spouse should realize that it's in his best interest to jointly file bankruptcy with you. If he refuses to cooperate on a bankruptcy, even though it is in his best interest, the divorce court, the judge, can order that you will not be responsible for any debt that he is responsible for. So we can't force him to file bankruptcy. However, he can be shown that it's in his best interest to do so.
And about separate lawyers, should we get separate lawyers or should we have the same lawyer?
For a bankruptcy proceeding, you would file jointly together and you only need one lawyer to proceed with the bankruptcy. In a bankruptcy situation, there's really not anything to fight over. There's an agreement over what debts are going to be discharged or eliminated. So there's not that conflict of interest arguing over things that can typically occur in the divorce process. In the divorce process, we do recommend that you have separate lawyers.